Hello, and welcome back to Connor's Crypto Trading. In this video, we're going to be talking about Turbo, its short-term upside targets and short-term downside targets, as well as long-term upside targets. Well, since the last video, we have gone up quite a bit. We were sitting at around 0.008. And then we had a retest of the low at around 0.0068. And since then, we've had a pretty nice bounce, and we've even broken the high. We've made a new all-time high for Turbo. From that low, we went up about... It was, a little over 100%. And since then, it's still up roughly about 62% from that low. And that's sitting at 1.4 cents. And now we're currently sitting at 1.1 cents. And we could come down. Your next target to the downside is the 618, which is at 1 cent. And from where we're at, down to the 618 is roughly another 5%. And if it breaks that, we should find support at the 0.5, which is not much lower. Still at 1 cent. And that's 11-12% from where we're at. And if that doesn't hold, then your next target to the downside is the 382, and that's at 0.009, and that's 20% from where we're at. Now, the next targets to the upside are 1.7 cents to 2 cents. And if we get over 2 cents, so to the 1618 is 55%, that's at 1.7 cents. And then 2 cents is roughly 80%. And as I was saying, if we get over 2 cents, your next targets are 2.5 cents to 3 cents. That's to 2.5 cents is 120%, and to 3.1 cents is roughly 180%. Now, if we get over that, we're looking for the targets for this spring. It can go as high as 10 cents. And 10 cents from where we're at, it's roughly 800% from where we're at. Now let's switch over to Bitcoin. Now we did make a new all-time high for Bitcoin, and that was at 100, and we hit the 2618 to a T. And as I said, the next targets were 102,000 to 103,000. So since then we've pulled back a little bit, but we are now starting to grind back up, and it looks like we're going to make new highs probably by next week. So what are the next targets for Bitcoin? It is 106,000 to 108,000. 106,000 is roughly another 5%, and then 108,000 is 6.5%. So if we get over those targets, We are looking to go to 120,000, and that's roughly another 20%. Now let's switch over to the Bitcoin dominance chart. As you can see, we did have a bounce, but it's looking to be a bear flag, and will soon fall to the downside, and alt season will continue. If we look at the DXY, the DXY is still somewhat holding support. It is weird how the dollar went up at the same time as Bitcoin did, so it's a big question mark right there. Now let's switch back to Turbo. Your long-term upside targets are 20 cents to as high as 50 cents. And from where we're at, 20 cents is roughly a 20x, 1800%, and 50 cents. 50 cents is about a 44x, and I don't expect those highest targets until the end of 2025. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your night or day.